Hi, I'm Andrew Wilson. I own Angel Water. Angel Water was founded in 1972 by Bernie Haggard, and in 2004 I bought the company. I bought the company because I'm passionate about human health. I'm passionate about making people more healthy. And prior to that I was in the pharmaceutical world, and I'm so glad today I'm in the water world, because I like to teach people that they are a filter. That their body is 60% water, their brain is 90% water. And the only way to clean your filter is with clean, very, very clean, fresh water. And, you know, a lot of us think that maybe the government can do that correct for us. I'm not sure if they really can. There's a good argument of saying, what does the government do right today? And so we like to teach you that there are alternatives out there. We are a bottled water company too. We do sell bottled water. We don't like it because it sits in plastic and it costs you a lot of money. So we like to walk you down the path of water filtration systems that not only protect your health but also protect your home. And those filter systems are specifically designed to take out the scary contaminants that are in our water today. So our passion, my company's passion, our mission is really to teach you what's in your water and then walk you down the path of products that are certified to take out those scary contaminants. We hope that we can earn your business in that. We hope that you give us a call at 847-382-7800 or visit us online at angelwater.com. And again, I'm Andrew Wilson, and I look forward to helping you with your water.